What is happening, guys? My name is Yousef. Welcome to another video. This video we're going to be talking about money, investing, trading, and all about saving. And I'm going to be talking about the 2020 recession. Should you be buying gold or should you be investing into the cryptocurrency? And it's a great topic that everybody's talking about nowadays. Or should you be listening to Wall Street nowadays? With the whole hype of selling off and selling everything you have in the stock market and pulling out. So let's get into it. Let's roll. Oh boy, it's crazy days nowadays, and man, I don't even know what to talk about anymore. With so many hype around the stock market, about selling the stocks actually right now. I don't know about you guys, but all the videos that I'm watching right now, everybody is telling you, basically all the YouTubers are telling you to hold on to your stocks and buy more. And when I go to the news and I look at the Wall Street, everything that you see over there, they're telling you to basically sell everything and get out of the stock market as of right now so you won't lose more money. But I think it's something different. I've been looking at a lot of the different stocks, a lot of the different people who are so much more knowledgeable about the stock market. And I have found out that I think it's a great time to actually do not pull out of the stock market right now. I think it's the best time to actually buy it. And I feel like all the people in New York and all the people in the stock market in the Wall Street, they want you to sell your stock because it's a great time for them to buy more and more. And I really don't want you guys to be looking at that. I really don't want you guys to fall for basically the news that you're hearing all around the internet and basically sell everything you have. Sure, the stock market can go down a little bit more, and I think it might actually go down because we still haven't found any cure, medication, or vaccine for the coronavirus. But I think we're gonna eventually get over this, and it's not gonna last forever. And yes, different sectors of the stock market sometimes take a little bit longer for them to recover. Something like basically the cruise ships, I think those gonna take a little bit longer for them to actually recover. But something like airlines, that definitely is where that people gonna start traveling right away because they have to go to see their family, they have to travel for work, and their stocks gonna pick up right away. And some of the stocks, like basically the technologies, they're gonna go where they were so quickly just because they're launching new products again, they're launching new services, and it's a great time to invest into those kind of stocks right now. But what I hear a lot about them in the Wall Street and what I hear in New York is everybody's telling you to get out of the stock market, and I think what they're trying to do is basically make you sell your stocks so this prices goes down even more, so they have a bigger opportunity to buy more into the stock market themselves, and they can buy back more of their shares that they basically been selling when it was at the peak, at the top high. Again, please be patient. Don't sell your stocks if you bought anything before. I bought so many stocks from Apple, Microsoft, Cheesecake Factory, and a lot of the stocks that I had before that they were right at their peak and now they're almost half off. But the thing that I'm doing right now is actually purchase more into them, and I try to bring my average value that I spend it basically on each stock before, make it lower a little bit so I would be able to make more money when the stocks start going back up. But again, don't forget that it is not the right time for you to sell your stocks. I think definitely you really need to do your own research to what kind of stock you should be buying. But at the same time, I think it's a great time to invest anything you can. You definitely don't want to be investing something or some amount of money that you're going to be needing within the next few months and you're going to be dependent on it. But definitely if you get some money that you can actually put on the side and invest into the stock market, definitely it's a great time to start investing into the stock market. And I think buying gold and cryptocurrency, I just tried to buy some gold the other day, and most of the websites, they're actually sold out of the bars of the really popular brand like Pam Suez, and that's what I usually carry. But there's a lot of other options that you would be able to invest into the gold and the physical gold, buy it, keep it at home or in the safe in the bank. But I think the one thing that I wanted to talk about is definitely you guys wanted to invest some of your money into the cryptocurrency right now. I'm gonna leave the link down there for you guys so you would be able to sign up with my link and basically start mining Pi, a cryptocurrency, just for free on your phone, and you're gonna start earning money as soon as they go public in few months. But definitely cryptocurrency in terms of Bitcoin itself, it's a great time to invest into it. $100, 500, whatever you can, and the amount of money that you want to spend into it is something that is basically you're not gonna be needing it really quick in few years. And I think more and more we head in this direction, your indexes or your ETFs is not going to be paying you much money in the long run. And I think it's a great time for you to definitely invest into cryptocurrency, because that's something that is not dependent into one nationality, it's not dependent to just one single market, and everybody could affect it. And I think like more people are investing into the cryptocurrency because they're more realizing that everything is almost like a fraud. Everything on the stock market, it's a little bit more risky. And yes, basically cryptocurrency is also risky. You can lose basically 100% of your money, 50% of your money, or if the Bitcoin basically goes to zero, you can lose all your money. But the potential for it to actually go higher is unlimited. You could have the day that basically the Bitcoin goes all the way to $1 million, $2 million, who knows? It jumped to $20,000 when no one expected it to be any higher than maybe a couple of cents or a couple of dollars. But again, it is a great time for you to start investing into it as of right now, because it is a great time to actually invest to it since the price is so much lower compared to the 20,000 that it was almost about a year and a half ago. But again, it's something that you want to put on the side. You don't want to think about it. You want to leave it there till it actually gets to a value that you can actually retire with it, and you're gonna have a good retirement. And that's the type of investment that you want to be doing nowadays, not just for 1 month, 2 months, because if the stock market go a little bit lower or a little bit higher, you're not going to gain much in few months, but you definitely have the opportunity to gain so much in the long run, because the recession is going to be finished in a few years. The unemployment is going to go back where it was in few months, and I think that people are going to get more hired and more jobs are going to be created, so you don't have to really be worried about that. Hope you guys learned something from my video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, smash the like button if you find value in this video, and tell me what you want to see in the next video. I'm really open about talking about the things that you guys want to hear and the things that you guys want to be, interested into. Go ahead and smash the bell the bell on the bottom, so you guys get notified as soon as we have a new video and you guys can enjoy the video. Hope to see you guys soon again, and ciao.